Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Vari friend. Today in this video I will show you how you can make your Realme Narzo 50 Alpha mobile phone black and white. So if you want to make your mobile phone black and white, then I will show you one setting. You have to enable that settings. After that your mobile phone will become black and white. So where is that setting? First I will show you here inside about phone. I am using here Realme Narzo 50 Alpha mobile phone for making this video. So basically you have to go to the settings, you have to go to the drop down window of your mobile phone, and you will get one option eye comfort. Here you can see eye comfort option is here. Just long press on this like this and you will get some functions. So in this function you will get one function black and white. Here at the bottom you can see, just enable this by clicking on this. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.